Welcome to my channel. Enjoy watching.
Will receive a gift voucher worth 3,000 pesos and a sauce. Yes, you. Congratulations. Please step forward. Candidate number 6 is none other than Annalisa Ilustre. Once again, don't forget to follow and subscribe us in all of our social media accounts sa Facebook, sa Instagram, at sa aming YouTube channel. And currently, I am one of the surprise ambassador of JFS Pedals and Services. Kaya po yung iilan po dito, pamilya po ako sa inyo, pamilya rin po kayo sa akin. Once again, tulungan niyo din po kami with our social media accounts. Okay, don't forget JFS Pedals and Services. Okay, so next, we have yung isa pa po natin ang panel of judges na magbibigay po ng free facial treatment po sa lahat po ng mga candidates. Palapakan nyo naman po, magkakaroon po kayo ng facial treatment. Mula po yan sa skincare.
Mamaray din yan din. Naka-facial sim na gabos. Naka-facial. Nagre-real sim na nag-facial.
Alright, so that sponsored award is from Skintel's Skincare and Laser House. Owner Stella Olivan Verdadero, one of our judges, yung ating chairman of the board. Gift voucher for all the candidates, a free facial treatment. Their store is located at Zone 2 Rizal, San Fernando Camarines Sur. Once again, Skintel Skincare Laser House. Palapakan po natin si Ma'am Stella Olivan Verdadero. Ma'am, yung host po ba wala po, ma'am? Hello, ma'am. Ma'am Stella, yung host po ba wala? Meron. I'm just kidding, madam. Okay, nakita ko kasi, madam, inabutan mo yung mga co-judges mo. Baka yung host pwede naman. Di ba, Kap? Pwede mananaw, Kap? Okay. Ayan, dito si Kap. Alright, so once again, congratulations to all the winners who have received special awards, corporate awards, and all of the awards that you have received for tonight's Mrs. Beberon 2024. This time, let's welcome back on stage your Mrs. Beberon 2018 for the final walk of the reigning Mrs. Beberon. Let us candidates, you may now proceed at the back. And hello to our reigning